New into stock, we've got a really nice van. It's a 19 plate, so it should be. It's only done 430 something miles. It's a Renault Trafic 1.6 dCi SL27 Sport Nav panel van, and it's the EU6 engine. 2019 19 plate, was registered in March, I think March 5th or 6th, something like that. Absolutely as new. It's got seat covers on from brand new as well, so it's mint inside, unmarked, perfect, but a lot cheaper than a new one. Fuel economy, urban 36.2, extra urban 49.6, and combined is 43.5. 0 to 60 time of 12.6 seconds, 120 brake horsepower, 16 valve engine. So it's also got the manufacturer's warranty until the 5th of March 2022. I'll just show you around it. Now, John did tell me the name of the grey before I came out, but in one ear and out the other. It's got the sill and door protection mouldings on the side there, colour coded door mirrors, side loading door, alloy wheels, reversing sensors in the rear bumper, twin solid doors, and they open out for easy loading like so. Check there's nothing coming first. So there you go, like so. Just put that one back there. Here we have a load through for ladders. That folds up, and then you have space under the passenger side bench seat. Just take you for a ride in it. Remote key with a blade, as you would expect. 430 miles, 435 miles. It's like absolute brand new inside. I've just taken the seat cover off this just to reassure myself that there's nothing untowards underneath, and sure enough, it's really nice. We've got a front central armrest here, which you just ratchet up, 6-speed box. It's the nav one, so let's see, we'll update that later. So you sat nav there, just take you for a ride in it. We've got eco here, we'll put eco on. There's the light on the dash, and before I go, so don't upset anybody, there you go, height and reach adjustable steering wheel. Handbrake is here. It's just a little bit awkward being there with the armrest there, but put up with it. Right, let's see, just get a bit further back. So finished in grey, and multifunction steering wheel, height and reach adjustable, electrically adjustable door mirrors there, and the bottom they've got a convex mirror, so you can see the curb when you're backing up. You see the lower half, and also, I don't know, perhaps little cyclists that pull up in your blind spot. Really comfortable driving position, and the telephone holder there has Bluetooth hands-free. It might not be a telephone holder, it might be a pad holder or something, who knows. I'm not so sure you're allowed a telephone holder there anymore. Aircon, which is a godsend today. In the last 10 minutes, the road I've been on, that it's so hot the tarmac's melting, and then we had rain and then it's gone cloudy. There's a young lady from Starbucks the barista, and keep in her good books. Give it some gas. I've got to say, it's not the fastest van ever. That the barista in a smart car is. Oh, there you go. It's now I've switched the eco button off. It's picked up speed. There we go. No noises as you'd expect, or rattles, or bumps, or knocks. And beautiful to drive, and it's got a full tank of fuel, which must be worth another 70 or 80 quid these days. Got cruise control on the steering wheel. Now there's a switch on the dash here, that's cruise control, and that's speed limiter. Well, everything's going to work, and obviously it's in Renault warranty if it doesn't work, so and, a good 3-year warranty. Great gear change. I'm probably not in my usual driving position. I'm trying to keep further over here so you don't see the side of my head in this camera. The center seat has a kind of molded or inclusive headrest, so there's nowhere to mount my camera, hence I'm trying to keep over here. Probably look a little bit strange driving, or more strange than usual. It's the first Renault van certainly we've had with this new Bluetooth audio system. So I'll show you how to set the sat nav when we get back, how to delete a mobile, how to pair a mobile, and how to stream audio, which should be interesting because it'll be the first time I've tried it, so hopefully it will be intuitive and easy to use. Some of them these days seem to be getting more and more complicated, and you have to tell it 3 or 4 times. You put the postcode in and click the postcode's OK, and then you click enter, and then you have to click start, by which time you could have got there with a map book. Great driving position, plenty of padding in the seat. Nice, the seats nice and sprung. Oh, well, we won't be going up the motorway. Looks like there's been an altercation. Although the traffic's not held up there. I should have gone around there. Never mind. We'll do a U-turn and go back that way. Look at that. Great handling. So, the cruise, as I say, cruise control's there, switch on there, set it there, plus or minus to increase or decrease your speed. On the right hand side you've got off and also resume, and it's raining again here. Paddy drivers. So apparently this was bought for to service a contract which didn't materialise, so is now for sale surplus to requirements. It's got that new van smell, not the new car smell, the new van smell, where it smells a little bit rubbery. I think it's got new mats in there as well, so there we go, all the grids. No understeer or oversteer. It's a really, really nice van. Got another cup holder there that folds out. Although I think a big cup would be a bit unstable there and tend to end up all over your knee. Side loading door, reversing sensors, your instruments here, rev counter on the left, digital speedo in the centre, and then you've got an information display at the top there. Is that anything? Can I move that? Yes, there you go. Fuel used, average miles per gallon, current miles per gallon, range, we've got 415 mile on. It's not a full tank, so you won't be running to the fuel station. Oh, it's AdBlue's at 100%, and the distance you've travelled. Let's try this eco switch. What does it do? Don't know what it does. Little light came on the dashboard for a second. There's Andrew in front, all the right letters but not necessarily in the right order. AD09 REA. So there we go, we're nearly back at the garage now. Drives like brand new because it is like brand new. Lovely finish in the driver's compartment. We've got a bulkhead and gloss black, brushed aluminium there, gloss black. It's like being in a Renault car, really. This is well finished off. Nice thick padded steering wheel. Just down here where you can't see behind the steering wheel, you've got your telephone controls and also audio controls. You can change channel from the back here, increase the volume, decrease the volume, answer the telephone, dink somebody. Let me just see if that, we'll just turn that. There you go. change the source of the audio. With a bit of luck, I'll be able to show you how to pair your mobile and set the sat nav before this camera, which has a habit of overheating, overheats and switches off. Oh my word, nowhere to park. I don't know.